Drowning in credit card bills? Let's ditch the paper and conquer that payment in under 2 minutes, all from the comfort of your phone using the Scotiabank app. First, tap the Scotiabank app icon on your phone to launch the app. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Once you're logged in, look for the Move Money option. It's usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to proceed. On the Move Money screen, you'll see a few options. Select Pay Bills. This is where you'll manage all your bill payments. Now, under Pay From, choose the account you want to use to pay your credit card bill. This will likely be your checking account. Tap the account name to select it. Next, under Pay To, select your Scotiabank credit card. If you have multiple credit cards, make sure you choose the correct one. Your credit card should be listed as one of the options here. Tap on it. Now it's time to enter the payment amount. Tap the amount field and carefully type in the amount you wish to pay towards your credit card balance. Review the payment date, ensuring it's set to today or your preferred date. You can tap on it to change the date if needed. Double check all the information on the screen: the Pay From account, the Pay To credit card, the payment amount, and the payment date. If everything looks correct, tap the Review button. You'll now see a confirm payment screen with all the details of your transaction. Give it one last look to make absolutely sure everything is accurate. Finally, if all the information is correct, tap the Pay Now button to complete your credit card payment. Congratulations! You'll see a confirmation screen with a checkmark and a confirmation number. This confirms that your payment has been successfully submitted. You've just conquered your credit card bill with ease.